I have been so excited to be at this conference because the passion, the excitement, the energy from everyone involved is really off the chart.
It's been really great to have everyone all together in one room, so it's really nice to put a face to the name that I've been talking to on the phone and on our email, so yeah, that's been really, really wonderful.
What's been really amazing for me is seeing the vast number of people that are involved in making this a great place to work, and the freedom that they have to meet together with like-minded people and really make change in the business.
One thing that I'm loving about the ERG conference is just the opportunity to meet so many different people from all different offices, different departments and parts of the organization, and it's really just been a real joy.
The energy, the synergy, the collaboration, it really is great to see people very interested authentically about diversity.
My key takeaway from day one is going to be to try and implement the psychological safety training that we did upstairs.
It was so inspirational to see and meet so many of the people who are driving inclusion and diversity across our business.
I've been truly humbled and overwhelmed by the energy and the synergy and the passion of the people that have come together over these past few days.
I think one of the main things that I'm very excited to take back with me to Philadelphia is the ability to talk about the resources and the information that we have in our employee resource groups.
It's just been an absolutely fantastic couple of days. I just feel really privileged to have been here and to meet with all these other fantastic ERG leaders.
Being one of the founding members of the African Ancestry Network, it's amazing to see the progress in the business from then until now, and see the formation of so many other ERGs here within RELX, and really to see all that culminate into this awesome conference that we have here.
It's a great opportunity for networking with all other teams.
Met so many wonderful people and so much great work that so many ERGs are doing all over the world.
I truly enjoyed the presentation by G. I felt it was very inspiring and it really made you feel empowered to be who you are.
So from this, we take away a lot of ideas about what we can do locally to continue to improve our ERG efforts, and more broadly, how critical ERG efforts are to helping us drive diversity and inclusion goals across our organization.
It's just been great. I can't wait till next year.